Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is Larry, Moe, and Curley. I'm got a big job dumped in my lap and got a lot of stuff going on there. And we were having to shovel out an area that was in mud on pavement. And we found these three fellas. I would presume that they're siblings, but they're bullfrogs as far as I can tell. But they were hibernating in the muck till we disturbed them. And I'd hired a day laborer to help me on that. And he was fixing to kill them. I don't know what the deal was. And I told him he better not. And for some reason, I guess he thought bullfrogs were dangerous. But anyway, that was his last day too. And so I put him in this little takeout deal, and I'm going to relocate him to a nice little area where I'd like to get some bullfrogs started. And there's probably some there already. It's not like I'm bringing in an invasive species. They're all over the place in North Carolina. I'd just like to see more in a little place near me. But I was thinking about taking them and raising them, but I don't need the headache right now or responsibility. And where I'm carrying them to, it'll be a nice little place where they can get back and hibernate, and they'll be good to go. Hopefully they'll grow up and have big families and be happy ever after. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.